Yeah, baby. What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? This I had to do. It's been a long time coming. Believe it or not, after all this time, I never really had the table saw. Believe it or not. No, haven't had one. Portable. Okay? But this deal was going on. I couldn't pass it up. And for people out there that want to know the model number, bam! R45171NS. And if you're wondering what NS stands for, it's no stand, cuz, okay? No stand. And I'm gonna probably get one, or I might even make one. I'm not sure. Portable one with wheels. I could probably wheel in and out of the trailer here. I don't know. I've seen some videos on YouTube, but this is it. The Ridgid. Sorry for being so close. I'm jammed up in the trailer. It's a 10-inch saw. And this model number, if you look it up, it has the soft start, and we'll get into that later. Soft start meaning when you turn this bad boy on. Oh, got some stuff falling in the background. When you turn this thing on, it doesn't just go right up to the full amps. It takes a little time, a few seconds, and boom, then you're up and ready to cut. It's a nice saw. I'm sure you saw videos about this thing, okay? It's not new. It's new to me, but it's been around a while. And we're going to open this thing up. So you're going to have to give me a few minutes. I can't open it up on camera because, as you can see, oh, and a friend of mine gave me that. I just wanted a quick thank you for that guy right there, the backpack sprayer. Never used one of these Tahoes, 4-gallon. But he said he used it 1 or 2 times. If I was interested in taking it off his hands, I said, why not? Throw it in a trailer. We'll use it for something in the spring. And yes, we got the heat on, fellas, because it's cold outside, okay? All right, so let me just, yeah, and the white extension cord, believe it or not, goes all the way around, cause, bam, to the charger and to the phone I'm holding, okay? Yeah, I have to do it. Trailer's full. As you can see, I'm hanging cement buckets on the back door, okay? Running out of room, cause I watched Searching for Signal. The way he has his set up, I got new plans for mine in the spring. But this whole V-nose area, I'm going to take my chop saw, my Ridgid, I'm going to put it over there in the front corner where it's easy accessible to get in and out. And I'm going to build some kind of a corner shelving to put the table saw, the compressor, you know, all the way up to the ceiling. So we're going to get into that in the spring. All right, getting back to this guy here, the Ridgid 10-inch compound table saw, cuz. Give me a few minutes. We're going to open this bad boy up. We're going to take a quick look at it, all right? All right, I'll be right back. All right, we're back. I got this thing on the floor. All right, just goes to show you how big the box is. I mean, and how small the trailer gets. I mean, look at this. It's on the floor. I figured I'd show you what's... This is an opening here. Let's see what's inside before I just go right to the saw. All right, you got the table saw there. It's in plastic. Nice. Looks good. It's got your owner's manual here, all your information. And remember, you got to register these things, okay? You got 90 days to register. And okay, so I'm gonna have to pull this thing out of the box, and I'm gonna put it up on this table. So give me a few seconds here. We'll be right back. Okay. Look at this. These are just thrown in here. They have to put it nice. We got batteries. I'll put this in here for now. We're going to arrange all this coming in the next couple of days. But okay, leave that the way it is. Give me a few seconds. We'll put the saw on the table. As I got it up on the table, tell you what, for now I'm going to leave it up here. I'll probably throw a bungee on it just to keep it in place. But it fits pretty much perfect under here for now. Leave it up on the workbench when I'm not using it. Okay. It also came with all kinds of extra stuff here. Okay, comes with the fence. Comes with the little tool to push the wood through. If you don't want to if you don't want to chop your fingers off. Comes with the guard. What else do we have in here? Okay. We got the miter piece there. What the heck they call this thing? Okay. Remember, when you're opening up these boxes, What's that? Is it a mark? When you're opening up these boxes, check all the styrofoam, all the little pockets, because what happens is you're going to throw something out like I did. I believe I did it with my my tile saw a long time ago. There was a tool to take the blade off, and I threw it out because I was just wasn't paying attention. But you got an Allen wrench in here for something. I would take it. These are the tools to take the blade off. Okay. All right, that's it. Let's go over this bad boy for a minute here. Nice top here. Okay. Easy to read. Okay. What do we got here? Let's go over on this side. Let me unplug this for a minute. Over here you got your plug. You wrap your plug, your cord. Here's where you would put extra blades. Okay, a little blade storage, cuz. It's the tool and blade storage area. Okay. So I'm sure I'll be able to put the wrenches and stuff for the blades over there. Under here, okay. You got a nice little dial here to dial in the blade height. All right, we're gonna have to go over this. I'm gonna have to read a little bit about it. I've never had one before. This will be your on and off switch. I saw a video where this little, it's like a key, safety key. So if you take this out, there's no way to turn this thing on. So if you're on a job site and you got those little kids running around, you know who I'm talking about, the ones that like to touch your tools and screwdrivers and everything else. If you're gonna go take a break, have lunch, or you gotta run somewhere, maybe to Home Depot, get some more stock, cuz, take this with you. Even if you unplug this thing, what if they plug it back in? You know, these kids today, they're nuts. Take it with you. They won't be able to turn it on. Then when you come back, boom, and boom, okay? That's how you do it. This thing is pretty nice, cuz. You want to extend this arm out. I saw a little bit of a video. You lift this guy up. You pull this bad boy out. Okay? Then you lock it in place, and then it's not moving anywhere, cuz. Slide her back in when you're done. Nice. Push it back in place. Usually this thing is located underneath on the saws, but it's up here. That's cool. About that, I just had a notification from, believe it or not, my man Tool Boss, and it screwed up my filming over there. All right, but that's it. We got a 10-inch. It's not much of a review. I don't know too much about it. It's an unboxing. This is what you're going to get when you get this model. You get these things in here. Let's open this stuff up. Let's see what we have. Cut this open. All right. Looks like the something that has to do with the blade there. Okay, with the guard. You got the little tool there to push the wood through so you don't cut your fingers off. What else we got? There we go. Right here. All right, we're going to hook all this up. Let's put this bad boy in here. Right there, boom, nice. Hang on a minute. Okay, slide this in place. This is here. We zero this out. Zero it out for now. Okay. What else does it come with? Got a little knob here, guys. I don't know where the knob goes. Oh, wait a minute. I know where the knob goes. Just by looking at it, the knob's going to go right here, bro. Got a little extra knob. Okay. Again, I'm not going to screw around with it now. I'm just showing you what comes with the box. I don't want to lose anything. And we got this here. Alright, I'm not going to be able to put this thing on because, as you can see, alright, it's not high enough. But it would go on like this, on this side, okay, and connect. Can't put it on because this thing isn't high enough. So I'm definitely going to have to build some kind of a table for it, or a shelf. I'm going to put it out here in the front, and that'll be it. But for now, this is what you get. I know it's not much of a unboxing, but it is the Ridgid 10-inch table saw. It's a portable one for jobs. It's not that heavy, okay? And if you look up the R45171NS, look up that model number on YouTube. You'll be able to pull it up and get a lot more information from another video. Again, I apologize. I didn't get into depth with this thing because I don't know a lot about it right now, and I don't want to sit here and bullshit you know what I mean? All right, so that's it. New purchase, High Ridge Handyman. Bam, 10-inch Ridgid table saw. All right. Tell you what, it's pretty nice though. Say what you want about Ridgid, cause got a little styrofoam on my finger there. Say what you want about Ridgid. You know, some people, they say it's not the best or whatever. They have their own opinions. Okay, these things get the job done. The best part about it, this thing I paid $199 delivered right to the front door. I didn't even go down and pick it up. Get online at HomeDepot.com. Buy these tools. The deals now, even DeWalt, Milwaukee, all the deals right now, Christmas time. You can't beat it, okay? If you're looking to buy tools now, I know some guys are like, wait a minute, I don't have a lot of money coming in. You know, this time of year, it's slow. I get it. Believe me. If anyone gets it, I do. But this is the time you got to invest. You have to. And trust me, come spring, all these investments, they pay you back tenfold, okay? Go out, pick a platform. I picked Ridgid, all right? Not because they're the cheapest, and I got to say, Ryobi's the cheapest. I mean, they are. You can get them a lot cheaper. I could buy any tool I want. If I wanted the Milwaukees, I'd buy the Milwaukees. But I'm telling you, Ridgid's the way to go. I had an issue with the multi-tool, and if you go back and look at some of my videos, this bad boy right here, okay? I had a problem with the original one that wasn't the octane. I called for the warranty. Had a little bit of a problem, but I got to tell you, within for about 10 minutes, I got a call from the store. Come on down. They resolved it, and I actually upgraded. So I'm telling you, they go above and beyond at Home Depot to make sure you're happy with the purchase. Okay, and I'll stand by them 110%. They hooked me up. I didn't have any problems. I had the actual experience. That's what I'm looking for. All right. A little tired today, but anyways, that's it. The 10-inch. I appreciate you guys watching. Again, if you're a new handyman or you're thinking about it, start buying your stuff now. Wintertime, the best deals out there. And if you're not sure of what platform to get, look into the Ridgid. I'm telling you, I got the Ridgid stuff. I haven't had a problem, and it's affordable, and you'll make money with it. Okay. I mean, that's it. And if you don't hear from me until Christmas, I want to wish everybody out there a Merry Christmas, Happy New Year, Happy Hanukkah. You know, whatever's going on out there. Happy Kwanzaa, everything else. That's it. Thanks again for watching. And you know what? We'll catch you on the next one. This place is a mess. It's all jammed up. It's a mess. But you know what time it is right now, right? At the end of the video. Yo, Sonny. Yo, Sonny. Sonny? Yo, Sonny. Hey, remember, subscribe, share, and like the video, cuz. And we'll catch you on the next one. Yeah, I'll find that Sonny sooner or later. Sonny. What you doing, kid? Catch you on the next one, right?